Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to look out Google Drive on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your Google Drive application on your Android phone. And here I have my Google Drive application opened. And if we want to log out from Google Drive, we can tap on this profile button on the top right corner of your screen. And just wait for a moment. Okay, and here as you can see that I have some accounts on my Google Drive. Then we just need to scroll down and we can click on manage accounts on this device. Then you're going to select the Google Drive account you would like to log out on your Android phone, and I'm gonna go with this account. So we can tap on this account, then simply tap on remove account. Then after you click on this remove account option, your Google Drive account will be automatically logged out. And I guess that's how we can log out Google Drive on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.